Algebra 2, Unit 2. This should be Thursday, April 2nd. Unit 2, Lessons 1, 2, and 3. Here's the review. What do we do in these lessons? Let's see. We got f of x, g of x. Unit 2 is all about functions. And we got some ordered pairs here. Composition. All right, so what do we do first? First, we got to figure out what f of 8 is. F of 8, well, there's the f function. If I plug 8 in there, 2 times 8, take away 7, divided by 3, 16, take away 7. It's 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. All right, not done though. Now we're going to put that into the g function. G is these sets of ordered pairs here, so when the input is 3, I'm getting an output of 7. So final answer, choice 1. All right, which of these is not a function? Not a function, so that means most are. It's called the vertical line test, and which one of these is failing the vertical line test? Hopefully you're going to say choice 2. If I draw a vertical line, it hits more than one place. So I got an input with 2 outputs. No good. Choice 2. All right. Which is not, again, not a function. All right, so looking for an input that occurs twice. For example, right here, -2. Where's -2 going? Is it going to 5 or is it going to 10? I guess it's going both places if I was drawing it like this. Where's -2 going? It's going to 5 or it's going to 10? We're not sure. That's not good. It's not a function. All right, back to some composition. Doing g of 2 first. G is this graph, so when the input is 2, my output is up here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to take that output, put it into the f function. And f says square it, add 2. All right, so it's 16 plus 2, which is 18. That's choice 1. All right, pretty quick, pretty easy so far. Get page 2. We got the right one. All right, we got a whole bunch of composition questions. So all based off of these 2 functions. So this one here says do g of 1 first. So I'm going to do 2 times 1 plus 3, I'm getting 5, and then take that output, put it into the f function, square it, take away 5, 25, take away 5, final answer, 20. I'm going to run out of room. Okay. Put 2 into the f function, so why don't I do it right here? F of 2 would be 2 squared, take away 5, that gives me -1, and now put that into the g function. So 2 times -1 plus 3, -2 plus 3 gives me output of 1. All right, can you do composition of the same function? Yes, we can. Here we go. G of 0, 2 times 0 plus 3 gives me 3. Now I'm going to take this, make it my new input. So I'm going to get 2 times 3 plus 3, that'll be 6 plus 3. That'll be 9. Okay. See, I'm showing work here. It should show me the first step. Here's the other way of writing composition with the little circle. But I still want to do G first. Going from right to left. G, -2. 2 times -2 plus 3. That's going to give me an output of -1. Take that, put it in the f function. I'm going to get -1 squared minus 5. So that's 1 take away 5, which is -4. That's the final output. I'm going to skip E and F. I hope you're getting the idea. I just did 4 of them. I think that's enough. Let's go down here. Now, if you have a letter, sometimes tough. I think during the school year, I would tell you, change it to the letter A. If you'd like to do that, you could do that, but I'm just going to leave it x. What is f of x? F of x is x squared minus 5. Now that is going into place of x. So what does g do? It's doubles and adds 3. Doubles and add 3. So I gotta take this whole thing, double it, and add 3. Now I want to simplify this. I'm going to distribute 2x squared minus 15 plus 3. So I'm going to end up with 2x squared minus 12. Composition going the other way. All right, do g first. G is 2x plus 3. Sorry. G of x, the output is 2x plus 3. Now I'm going to take that, put it into the f function. 2x plus 3. What does f do? It's going to square and then take away 5. So you got to take this whole thing, square it, and then take away 5. Now, be careful here. You got to FOIL this out. First times first, 4x squared. Outer, 6x. Inner, also 6x. Last times last, 9. And then you still got the minus 5. So my final answer is 4x squared plus 12x plus 4. Yes. All right. A little more composition. This should be easier. Back to graphs. K is over here on the right. H is on the left. All right. What's K of negative 2? So if I go back 2, 1, 2, where am I? Down 4. So K of negative 2 is negative 4. Now do H of negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5. Do H first. H of 0. H of 0. H is here. H of 0 is 1. Now take that, put it into the K function. I go over 1, I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Up 5. 5 seems to be the answer so far. All right, H twice. H is the one over there on the left. All right, so H twice. H negative 2. I get negative 2. So what's H of negative 2 going to give me again? Negative 2. That was almost too easy. Almost confusing because it's so simple. Let's try this one. Now K of negative 2. See the difference here. Go back to, where am I? Down 4. K of negative 2 is at negative 4. Now put that into the K function again. So if I go back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm now at a height of 0. The final answer is 0. All right, and now we got a multiple choice here, but again, I'm going to pretend like it's almost like not multiple choice. What's g of x is x minus 5. Now put this whole thing into the f function. What does f do? Squares everything. And again, you got to be careful because this is a FOIL problem. Write it out twice if you need to see it. And then FOIL that out first, the outer and the inner, then last times last. So I get a trinomial. There's only one trinomial. It's choice 4. All right, a lot of composition. That was a big topic here. What are you doing next? You're doing the independent work. Independent work, looks like I got about only maybe 3 multiple choice questions. You're going to write down your answers. You show me a little bit of work here, the intermediate steps. Oh, good. Not as many, but a few. Composition, you should just recopy the problem and then, what's G of 18, show me, and what's H of whatever that output is. Show a little bit of work here. And then number 7 doesn't, that's actually a very easy question. So hopefully this won't take you too long. As usual, send me a comment if you have problems. I'll try and help you out, and stay safe.